How to log in to Overstock Mastercard. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to Overstock Mastercard. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and search for Overstock Mastercard login. After you search for that, you'll find this website called city.com where you can simply head over to log in into your Overstock Mastercard. So just open that website up and all you now have to do is type in your user ID right here, whatever your user ID is. Then finally type in your password. After you type both of those in, you can then tap on this sign on option to log in into your account. Now, if you don't have an account, you can get started from this button right here. And if you have forgotten your password, you can reset that from here as well. You'll see the forgot user ID or password option. And yeah, that's how easy it is. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.